Hey, hope you're well. J.M. Wood here, Honeybees and Sandcastles. I'm at Honey Hole Farms in Fayetteville, Georgia. It's right first part of April, into the first week, and I've got about 8 hives, double deeps in this yard. I just put honey supers on them. I don't expect anything to be in the honey supers just yet, but Tulip Poplars are really blooming right now, so I'm starting to see a good bit of nectar flow. And today I'm going to jump into one of these big hives and just do an inspection. You can see there's a good bit of activity. Already got double deeps on this one. This yard's got a similar setup on all the hives around, so we're not going to, you can see they're bringing in pollen, lots of nectar starting to flow. We're really starting into the flow of the year. So okay, pop the top off, and bees are just now starting to explore this top honey super. I'm going to pop these off. I don't expect much to be in here, but I don't want them to be without room when this nectar flow hits. You can see, oh nice, they're actually starting to put some, look at this. Here's some fresh nectar, so you can see what they're doing. Here's a honey super. Look at this, how pretty. Absolutely packed with nectar. This thing is blowing up right here. Gorgeous, heavy. You can see they are building out, and that's exactly what we want right there. Already starting to fill this house. All right, well, I'm into the upper brood box here, and I got this queen excluder. I'm gonna bump them down. Look at all this pretty nectar. See, they're filling it right now, and it's heavy. Lots of pretty honey in this one. Lots of nectar. Bee honey in no time. Gorgeous. I don't see the queen on here, and I wouldn't expect to. And there's room on here, but you can look down in it. You see all this white. Anytime you see the white, you see they're starting to blow up and expand on the honey that's here, or any of the honey that's here. They just gotten into tulip poplar, and here tulip poplar is one of the main events. Queen could definitely be up top. In fact, this probably is. Look at this carpet of, and there's a little, that one's in the middle. I'm gonna leave it. Little queen cup. If it's in the middle, that's usually a supersedure cell. So if they filled that one out, I would likely just leave it. They'd probably replace the queen. Look at this gorgeous mat of bees. All right, so there's a lot of new bees coming on that one. Okay, pulled out another beautiful frame. There's bees that are hatching in here. They can blow on them and they'll move. So she should be up here. She'll probably be coming up to this frame pretty soon to lay. May actually see the queen on here. Never know. There's a lot of bees on here, so I'm not necessarily trying to find her, but if I see her, I'll show her to you. Looks good. All right, some more wonky comb. They didn't like my movement on that one. Let's see what we got. A little more of this wonky comb with drones there. Normally I would just tear this off, just like this. They got enough of it. I'll just come in here and literally tear this off. Tell them to start over. Okay, now I'm gonna take this little, all these pretty bees that are building out here. I'm just going to slide them right here. That'd be a good spot for them. You can see all the pretty honey that was coming out of here. This is all tulip poplar, a little bit darker. And the bees don't like that, obviously. Just get them away from the ears where I'm going to pull these things. Looking down in the box, see if I see anything, see if I see any hive beetles. This is a nuke that's been set for 1 month. All right, that nectar. Lots of nectar in here. Beautiful. Look at all this brood. The queen could be on here, and again, I'm glancing over quickly. I'm not trying to. All this bee bread is the pollen and the honey mixed together. And that's a gorgeous right there. All right. Come on, bees. Give me a little bit of space here. Okay. Tons of brood on this one. You can see, hopefully you can see a little bit of the larvae. There's a ton of larvae. Maybe I don't know if the light will get it, but she's coming laid all in here. Now this is a little bit older, so I don't expect to see her on here, but this whole side here also, tons of larvae, little eggs on the outside, down in the bottom corner. Look at all these pretty bees. As quick as I can, but also be as slow as I can. Look at all this brood. Gorgeous. Okay. Same here, little eggs. There's eggs all over the top of this, tiny. There's a lot of brood. This thing is about to absolutely explode. She could be right here, queen. I don't see her right off, but hard to see sometimes in here with so many bees. If you were dealing with this one without a suit, they would make you pay for it today. I like to enjoy this rather than no suit and try my luck. So, right, that good frame coming up here. And these frames are heavy. When you get this heavy, you can tell they're stacking. Look at all of this brood. This whole hive is about to absolutely explode. I see drones. There's drones all in here. Some of these bees doing waggle dances. They're telling them all where the nectar is. And just absolutely gorgeous. All right. I don't see anything that's cause for concern there. All right, I'm gonna take this and put it back together. I've smoked the bees, so hopefully they get off of the edges as much as possible. Sometimes I'll get a bee or two in here, but with all that brood that was just showing, it shows you how many bees are about to hatch in here. If each side of those frames, all right, this one has nectar on it right there in the middle. You can see they're bringing it up into the honey super. That's great. Again, this was a nuke I installed exactly 1 month ago today. So, giving them plenty of room. All right, put the lid on. Okay, well, I had a great visit with these girls today. Both boxes are full, and there's only just a little bit of space they haven't built out. I've got 2 honey supers on it so far. They're bringing in nectar. Tulip Poplar is really pouring in now, and they've already got some honey, some nectar in that lower super, so I expect for them to keep bringing that in. I'll watch it closely, and then I'll actually stagger that in the next week so they have plenty of room to keep moving that honey up. Okay, if you like, subscribe. God bless.